Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to open Message Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to open Message Amazon Shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the Account menu here. And many options will appear. Scroll down on this screen. Tap on the Message menu here. Now here you have entered the Message menu on the Amazon Shopping application. Here you can see some incoming messages and you can send outgoing messages too. So that's it, tutorial how to open Message Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.